Are we live?
Yes, Mom.
Been live for like an hour.
Oh, all right.
Hey!
Hi everyone, welcome to Cucinera in the Kitchen. I am your Cucinera and this is my sous chef for today. Michael is his name, Michael Hill. So anyway, today we will be showing you how to make menudo. This is a very famous Filipino dish that everyone loves. I substituted some of the recipe just like the liver. Instead of using the liver, I use a garlic sausage. You can also use hot dog or any type of sausage that you have on hand. So for this recipe, we will be needing 1 kilogram of pork cut in cubes. I have 2 cups of garlic sausage. We have half a cup of tomato sauce. I have 6 cloves of garlic chopped. I have 1 medium onion cut in cubes. I have a cup of bell pepper. You can use green, you can use red, yellow, it doesn't matter, whatever you have on hand. I have cubed potatoes, a cup of that, and then 1 cup of cubed carrots, 1 cup of green peas. I like it because it adds flavor since I don't have green bell pepper. I have 2 bay leaves, a dash of sugar again, as you know, and I have 1 1/4 cup of chicken broth, and we will be needing 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And quicker, yeah. So we'll add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So let's wait till it heats up and then we'll start sauteing. Mahal mo ako, hindi? Mahal mo si nanay?
Don't make me do this.
Don't make me do this, Mom. Make you do what? Okay, now it's starting to heat up. And then would you like to saute? Do the honors?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. All right. So go start with your onions again because garlic tend to burn so fast. It's sizzling like that. I think it's time for us to add the garlic. Excuse me, love. Okay, can you put this away? Then we're just gonna brown the garlic, not too brown. You don't want to burn it. Our garlic is brown, not too brown, but just perfectly brown. We'll add in our pork. Okay, do you wanna? And then saute again. All right, let's saute.
Make sure you get the garlic on.
Michael is our youngest in the family. He is our... While Michael is trying to brown our pork, I will actually just add a tiny bit of salt just to kind of like start kicking in the flavor, so we can infuse the flavor of the onions and the garlic inside our meat. And yeah, and a little pepper. Good. So let me check what you're doing, Mikey boy. Alright, so right now Michael is trying to fry my pork. Yeah, my meat. My pork here. We are going to try to add in our bay leaves. Alright, do you want to do it, love? Okay. to it.
This
Alright.
sounds
And then we're gonna add our 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Okay. Good job. See that? Boom. Good job, buddy. And then what else can you add, love?
good. Our sausage.
So right now we can also add in our
Add
sausage,
garlic
right?
sausages.
Alright, garlic sausages. Do you like liver, Mikey?
Of course.
Of course, yeah, they love liver. Do you love liver? Do you like liver, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. I'll add in my chili flakes and my teaspoon of sugar. Sugar again will enhance the flavor of your sauce. Oh my gosh, it's really good. But here I will be adding the broth, and we're gonna put it on a pressure cooking setting, and then we're gonna show you after it's done. Probably around 10 minutes. You know, because you don't want to overcook it, because you still need few minutes to cook your carrots.
Peas, mini potatoes, and some.
Say it.
I forgot that.
Peppers.
Bingo.
Paper. I am going to add in my diba ako din. My what do you call this? Chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, feel free to use vegetable broth, beef broth, you know, whatever you have.
Any broth.
Any broth you have, or you can actually make your own, right? How do you make your own broth? You can boil whatever, you know, like if you're cooking something like, or a recipe that needs, you know, like pre-cooking of your meat, you can use that broth for something else, right? Or you can do instant way, or the fastest way to do a broth. If you have any cubes, chicken cubes, or wait a minute, chicken cubes or chicken powder, pork cubes, or whatever you have, chicken bouillon, beef bouillon, add water, and that's it. That's it, love. That's it. And oh, actually, you cancel that and put it into soup or broth, and that's it. And we're just gonna wait. There you go.
If I put my finger in there, will it
Touch
bite
it.
it?
Maybe. I think it's nerves.
Okay. Oh, so
I'm gonna put that in.
No!
Oh, you look! It actually moved though, Dad.
As soon as you made a noise. Bar!
Ah, it's gonna bite it.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
So you're.
hey guys, so our pressure cooker is done. Slowly.
All the meat's cooked.
Yeah. At this point, I am going to give it a try. Love it. And now we're gonna add in our carrots.
Carrots. I think a half thing.
Everything.
All of our carrots.
And then here.
And now all of our mini potatoes.
That's right.
Potatoes. And then all of our pepper.
And then Mikey. I think we need to add more pepper. Okay, we're gonna, just 1 second. Okay, now let it rest. So at this point, we will be adding our tomato sauce
Tomato paste.
or tomato paste. And then our lemon. All right, so please squeeze it. So once I add my 2 tablespoons of lemon and our tomato sauce, my mom said not to stir it, so I'm not gonna stir it. We're just gonna let it boil for a little bit and then come back and give it a stir. So at this point, I'm gonna get my other lid. Nope. BRB. So hi, I would like to show you now the menudo. We already added the peas because we forgot the peas. Look at that, it's so pretty. And also, if you guys want to add mushrooms, it's up to you. It's all up to you, but you know, this is like so perfect. And look at the thickness of the sauce. It's just amazing. You know. But anyway, we're gonna plate it in a little bit with rice. Perfect. Alright guys, so we would like to share with you the finished product of our menudo served with on top of rice. And you can eat it as is with dinner rolls or toast, but this is how we like eating them. So I would like the whole family to try it.
Oh my gosh. Dad, that's my first bite.
There.
Ah,
Michael, it's so good.
I burned my mouth. It's good, babe. Right on.
It's really, really good, you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please go on our website for the full recipe at www.cuisinerainthekitchen.com. Say it, Mikey boy.
Subscribe, comment, and like.
Here,
That's right.
say bye.
Bye, everyone.
Oh my gosh.
Here you go. Okay, stand up. Where you are. Here you go.
How am I gonna say that?
Sausage. Bye.
Okay. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe or I'll spank you with a sausage.